yet today. I still need to wait for a new compression ring to come in since I broke that one. And also those lock clips that need to be delivered still. So 7 of 8 cylinders are in. I'll see you when those parts come in. Well, it's been a little bit since we've been on the engine. We did a little thing in between in that we had a baby. Rhett is here. And as a bonus, maybe I'll put him on camera, but he is a newborn and he's in with mama right now. So in the meantime, I did get a whole new set of rings for the one ring that I broke, but hey, it's cheaper than buying, brand new where I could. And these also match the ones I already put on, so at least they'll all be consistent. And Eggy sent me the 2 missing clips. So with that, we'll get this last piston in and move along. All right, piston assembly complete. Yeehaw. All right, so now we're going to actually put in that oil pump idler gear and cover. So first we're going to put on a bead of RTB, real thin, because there is a gasket for it. This is just extra protection. Also put a little bit around the flange itself. I think there's a high vinegar content in this because it sure smells like vinegar. Smooth that out. Okay. Gasket up with the holes. Don't forget to put the gear back on. The correct way. And on it goes. Now, rubber hammer to fully seat the gear. And now, these are the original 5 bolts that you can see the holes in there. That was for lock wiring, but we've got lock washers on there, which is recommended in all the books. We'll just bolt them down. And come back and paint it red like everything else, right? For consistency. Yeah. Shorter one for that. Watch out for that. It's good to hit your knuckle on. Almost. Yep, installed. Wipe off the excess RTV. All right, that's installed. So here's that little thing we did. This is baby Rhett. He's here. Our little Icelandic souvenir. Watch out if you go to Iceland, it's very romantic. Anyway, oh, a big yawn. Yes. He's just the calmest, most chill little baby. Just eats and sleeps, and that's about as much noise as he makes. And before he gets fussing too much, he's going back to mama for the other boob. And there he is. Yay, 3rd son to build a car with. Yay, say hi, Rhett. Yes, baby. Woohoo. 4 days old. All right, well, that's going to do it for this episode. I want to get this one out to you, and I got to go get some stainless steel bolts. So we will continue in a little bit once I get some more of the hardware to put some of the other pieces on. So take care and see you next time.